Hey guys, this is Caliber223 here, bringing you guys another deck profile of my wind-ups. This is my favorite deck. It's gonna be a quick, fairly quick. It's gonna be a fairly quick video. At least I hope so. So let's jump right into the main deck. All right, we have triple shark. Gotta have those. So triple shark. I play triple magician. Like that. Hold on. Sorry, I'm recording on my phone like I always do. Triple rat. Triple rabbit. This is a player preference. I mean, one soldier. A kitten. That's all the wind-up monsters. Double tour guide. Sangan. Spirit Reaper. Got my flash on, sorry about that. Maxi. On to the spells. We got, Triple Factory. Three MST. This is the this part is weird. I know you guys may disagree with it, but it actually works pretty well. Triple Upstart. I run Upstart Goblin in a lot of my decks, actually. I run them in my 6 Sams, my Black Wings. This is basically just to speed the deck up. I mean, it actually works pretty well, so, yeah. But, staples, Heavy Storm, Monster Reborn, Dark Hole, Pot of Avarice, Book of Moon, Forbidden Lance, and I main 1D Fissure, just so the monsters on the overlay units don't get banished when they get destroyed. Onto the traps. I mean, double bottomless, one torrential, one deep prison, and one solemn judgment. So that is it for the main deck. Let me get all this stuff cleared up real quick. Hold on 1 second. Alright. On to the extra deck. We got one Zen mains, one carrier, 10 tempo, Utopia Ray, Zen Meister, Audris, Leviair, Giga Brilliant, Shockmaster, Zen Mayo, Moves Wisdom, Tiras, Mindstroke, Photon Poplar Operative, and Utopia. That's it for that. And the last part, side deck. Double Chain Disappearance for those annoying Kagemushas and Rescue Rabbit and everything. Double Decree since I don't run that many traps. So double Shadow Imprisoning Mirror. Double System Down. Since, I mean, I don't go to that many regionals where I might actually see machines and gigas and stuff like that. I mostly go to my locals at my local card shop. So I don't really see that many Actually, I don't see Gugas at all or any machine decks, so I mean, I'll probably take these out, but find room for another Maxi or something. But yeah. 2 more D-Fissures. 1 more Maxi. 2 Puppet Plant for Hero 6 AMs and whatnot. And 2 Electric Virus. So that's it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Tell me what you guys would change or make suggestions to this deck. So that's it for my wind-up deck. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. This is Caliber 223 here, out.